All right, folks, we are in the creek. Me and John are doing a 2-day adventure here. And yesterday we hit Dale Hollow and had an awesome day out there. And today we are hitting a creek. We are in Middle Tennessee. I'm not gonna say the name of this creek. Get on Google Maps and find you a creek, all right? It's in Middle Tennessee, that's all I'm gonna say. But it is beautiful out here. It is a gorgeous day. The water is cold, let me just tell you. I was wanting to do waders. John said, I'm not doing waders, so I felt like if I was doing waders and John wasn't doing waders, it would just be like, you know, I'd be a little sissy. So we're in the creek, and you get used to it. It's not too bad after you stand in it for a minute, but we're gonna get to fishing and hopefully get on some, like, you know, 8-pound smallmouth in this creek. 10-pound smallmouth. We're gonna break the world record in this creek. I have a feeling. No, but seriously, yeah, we'll catch you guys here in a minute. In the creek. Wait, we're already in the creek. All right. Let's get fishing. I'm getting smoked in here. Oh, whoa, look, look, look. Look, do you see him? He followed it all the way up. Oh, oh, oh. Dude, that was crazy. Dude, there's gonna be so many fish in here. This looks like a spotted bass. Oh, well, what do you think?
Well, actually.
He looks kind of like a spotted bass to me. What do they say, the jaw? Or the jawline doesn't go.
Yeah, he's got red eyes.
Yeah.
But his mouth, the
tongue, tooth patch.
Yeah, he's got tooth patch. Feel that?
Oh wow, yeah. But his jaw doesn't go past the ear too.
Yeah.
So a little spotted bass. He followed it all the way up. This creek is beautiful, man. I'm excited about this. These fish are like, oh, dude, I've got a good fish. Well, it felt like a good fish. I don't know what it is. Rock bass maybe? Or warmouth? Oh, nice little rock bass. Heck yeah. Oh wow, he's got a chunk out of his tail. Looked like a turtle tried to get him. All right, little buddy. He's fat. Dude, there's a lot of rock bass in this hole right here. And they're fat. They're so fat. This is the same fish. Oh my gosh. Literally, I just caught the same exact fish. He's got this chunk out of his tail. What? Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, 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 oh. Ow. Oh, dude, that was a good smallmouth.
He hit it, didn't he?
Yeah, he hit it. He 100% hit it.
I don't know why he didn't. He was chasing stuff off. Right there. At least right here at the bridge for sure.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
that's a good fish. Oh, gosh. Yes, that's a good fish. Dude, that's a good fish. That is a really good smallmouth.
I'm gonna cast past you and see if there's another one that comes up.
Oh yeah. Oh, are you kidding me? No, he got off. Dude.
There was another one there.
Oh man. I saw my line go slack and I was like, I think that's him. Oh, John, that was a good fish, man. What?
A little spotted bass down here. He came up to your thing.
Oh wow, look right here. Watch this. Heck yeah.
That was awesome.
He looked a lot bigger in the water. Whoa, okay, dude. All right, all right. Look, look, very painless. Here you go. There you go, right back in there.
The fish come through.
Oh, look, there's another smallmouth.
Oh, look at the other bridge over there. Isn't that a fish on a bed over there?
Oh, yeah, dude, that is. That's a good fish, too.
I don't know if I can get him on him, but.
See? Oh, wow, that smallmouth just turned on mine. Oh, dude, you got that fish. Oh, you got him. Hold on. Yep, set the hook. Oh, yes, dude. That was awesome.
Dude, that's a good fish.
That's a good fish, yeah. That's a super good fish. Look how dark he is.
Awesome.
Look how dark he is. That is crazy, John. That's a 2-pound fish for sure.
I don't think it's that big.
I do.
Maybe.
I think it's pretty big. Yeah, we saw him on a bed. That was awesome. That was the coolest catch. Pound and a half for sure. I mean,
Yeah, well, maybe. Yeah, he's pretty good.
That was awesome, dude.
I bet this spot here, there's so many.
Oh, I've got one too.
Yep.
That's a rock bass, I think. That's where this one came off of.
That's a good rock bass.
That is a good rock bass.
This water's a lot deeper out here than like, once again.
I'm trying not to. There we go. That's a super good rock bass. Look at him. Dude, that is a thick rock bass.
It's even deep right here. Like,
Oh, that is a snake skin, ain't it? Let's see if there's a snake under it. Oh, Helgermite, dude. Look.
oh man, it's a big one.
It's a big one.
Dude, we have to use that. Dude, if this doesn't catch me a giant, I don't know.
Two of them. Two of them.
Helgermite on Helgermite.
I'm seeing if I can find a crawfish in this creek so I can know what color they are.
Yeah, quit pinching me.
Close enough. Oh, dude, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. I was not expecting that at that little spot. He's strong. Yeah, it's a good smallmouth. He hit it and I was like, that felt like a pretty good fish. That didn't feel like a rock bass or a small one. All right, guys, beautiful little smallmouth. There you go, bud. Yeah, that's a good fish. He was just right over there by that tree.
Extra little bit of casting. Yours cast it a little bit further up in there.
Yeah.
What size jig heads on that?
It's a 1/8.
Is it?
1/8, and then I've got that little.
It's in the wind a little bit.
Yeah. What's he got in the back of his throat?
Full size crawdad.
Really?
Not even like swallowed yet.
Oh my gosh, that's a good fish, man. He would have definitely eaten mine then. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. That is crazy, dude. That's a full size just sitting in his mouth.
Yeah, got a big old crawl.
Sitting in his throat.
Down in there. Good fish, for sure.
Ooh. Little smallmouth too. He was right up on the bank.
Yeah, this one, if I hadn't seen this one, I would never got it.
Nice little smallmouth. Now we're getting into him. Now we're getting into him. Worth the walk, for sure. Ooh, that is in there in his mouth. All right, little buddy. I'm gonna get this out of you. There we go. Nice little smallmouth, guys. Little guy, rock bass. This is gonna be a rock bass day for me, man. I think that's about pretty much everything I've caught today. These are all pregnant too. Yeah, I did. I love catching rock bass. I don't really care.
A wise man once told me.
Who the heck is that guy?
We're gonna get to him.
A wise man. He don't sound so wise. Ooh. Feels like a good fish. I can't tell. He's swimming up the current. I think it's a rock bass. I think it's a pretty big rock bass. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's a big rock bass. I was thinking it was like a giant smallmouth, but look at that, folks. That might be the biggest rock bass I've ever caught.
Yeah.
He's huge. He's a stud. They are absolutely wearing this this micro jig out. Oh. He wanted the goby bite. Nice. Heck yeah. We just fished this little section for a minute, and we tossed in here for a good little while, and couldn't get them on the micro jig. They weren't biting John's Helgramite, and threw the goby bite quiver in there, and he smashed it. So that's one of them. He's a small little guy, but he's super pretty. Super pretty. There you go, little bud. I'm a Yozuri fan. I use like a lot of Yozuri stuff, so this is pretty cool. Yeah, this is a little, it's called snap beans. Little 1-inch. Yeah, I mean,
That's what I should do. We should just fish a little lure on the way back up.
just catch fish.
And just kind of catch them and, well.
I've got another one of these little crankbaits.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's a long ear.
Yeah, that's long here.
That is so cool.
He can't follow.
Oh, look, dude.
Dude, that's awesome.
What is that? Green sunfish? Yeah. Yep, little green sunfish. That is so cool. This little bait is really neat. Look at that, guys. Little green sunfish on the little Yozuri. What is this thing called again? I gotta figure out what it's called. Snap beans? Is that what it's called? Snap beans? What kind of name is that? The Yozuri snap beans. It's a sinking 25 millimeter, 1-inch, 1/16 ounce crankbait. Definitely the smallest crankbait you're gonna find. And they sell these at Walmart. It's pretty cool. Oh, whoa, whoa, something just smacked this little crankbait. That's so cool. I think it's so cool that you can, like, I didn't realize that that Yozuri made this little tiny crankbait. Yeah. Oh yeah. Who's that? Dude, he's a super colorful green sunfish. He's like got red fins and everything. Oh my gosh. What is that? I think it's a creek chub. Shiner. Super fat too. That's bait. That's what we call bait, folks. Oh, is that another little shiner?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, they're wearing this thing out. Look, all 3 treble hooks are in his tiny mouth. Yeah, there's a big smallmouth right here. It's the one I lost earlier, I think. All right, try a different bait. Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah, I got him. Oh no, he's going under this tree. Yes. He hates that colored baby D-bomb. Oh yes. Not a giant, but you know, just a good fish. It's just rewarding to see him reject me so many times. And then finally got him. I changed baits like 3 or 4 times, And he smoked this, I think this is Desert Storm. This is the baby D-bomb. This is actually what he bit it earlier, and we walked downstream and then came back up, and he hit it again. So awesome fish, awesome smallmouth. I'll let him get back down there and do his thing. I think that's a rock bass, super dark rock bass. Yup. Cool. Another one. There you go, bud. Cool little salamander. All right, buddy, I'll let you back down here. Oh, he just hopped. All right, guys, that's gonna end today. This beautiful creek, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful creek. We fished in this creek all day. We fished probably 6 hours, and it was a creek here in Middle Tennessee that neither of us have ever fished. So really fun just to get out there and explore. John was talking about how people, you know, ask him all the time where to creek fish, and you know, there's no creeks near me. Guys, pull up Google Maps, okay? Pull up Google Maps and just find a lake, and you can find creeks that feed into these lakes, into these rivers. This is a creek that feeds into a river, and we caught spotted bass and smallmouth all day and just had a blast. We caught a bunch of rock bass as well. He caught some long ear. I caught a green sunfish. It was just a great day. So there's no excuses. You can, if you don't have a boat, if you don't have a kayak, there's no excuse. There's really no excuse. You can get out there and catch fish. So had a blast today. And yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next video. It'll probably be out at Dale Hollow. So it's supposed to be really nice the next couple days, and I'm really looking forward to getting out there. So catch you guys next time. Peace.